Thank you, President. This is a self-fulfilling prophecy, this select committee. The government stood up and said, I want to ban duck hunting, and lo and behold, some 5 months later, this is the report tabled today. Habitat is key. If you have habitat, you have birds. So says wildlife ecologist Dr. Hiller. There is no logical reason to ban a sustainable duck hunting season in Victoria, and we have had evidence to support that view. This inquiry has been driven by ideological and political reasons for payback to support issues in this House. The Nationals strongly back a sustainable duck hunting season and quail season in Victoria, and the Nationals and Liberals minority report at the back of this committee report certainly endorses that. There is a Labor Greens AJP alliance in this report. What they failed to recognise was that the Professor Klassen, when he said, now given the specifics of duck biology, hunting does not really put a dent in population. They blatantly refused to listen to Dja Dja Wurrung elder Rod Carter when he said, I think more broadly, to the importance of being a hunter such as holding a very significant place within society, within a family as a provider of sustenance of people. We also describe the importance for us as First Nations people, but extending that to all humans. I endorse his position. I also agree with the unionist Trevor Williams. This is the thin edge of the wedge. What will be next? I would like to put on record my thanks to the Secretariat, Matt Newington, Kieran Crow, Imran Ahmed, Julie Barnes, Sylvette Bassey, Joe Clifford, and any other Secretariat that have worked so very hard on this very short-timed inquiry.